to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 2 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Sarah and I'm 27 years old. I work as a graphic designer and in my free time, I enjoy hiking and reading.
Sure. My name is Sarah and I'm 27 years old. I work as a graphic designer and in my free time, I enjoy hiking and reading.
What do you think is the most important quality in a friend?
What do you think is the most important quality in a friend?
I think honesty and loyalty are the most important qualities in a friend. I want to be able to trust my friends and know that they have my back.
I think honesty and loyalty are the most important qualities in a friend. I want to be able to trust my friends and know that they have my back.
What's your favorite book and why?
What's your favorite book and why?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It talks about big problems like racism and unfairness. The book has strong stories and characters that people still remember today.
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It talks about big problems like racism and unfairness. The book has strong stories and characters that people still remember today.
Do you have any pets or have you ever had any?
Do you have any pets or have you ever had any?
Yes. I have a cat named Luna. She's a rescue and has been with me for 3 years now. Before that, I had a dog named Max who was my childhood pet.
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's a rescue and has been with me for 3 years now. Before that, I had a dog named Max who was my childhood pet.
What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
I like to sleep in and then have a slow morning with coffee and a good book. In the afternoon, I might meet up with friends for brunch or take a walk in the park.
I like to sleep in and then have a slow morning with coffee and a good book. In the afternoon, I might meet up with friends for brunch or take a walk in the park.
Do you like to cook? If so, what's your favorite thing to make?
Do you like to cook? If so, what's your favorite thing to make?
Yes. I enjoy cooking. My favorite thing to make is a vegetable stir-fry with lots of fresh ginger and garlic.
Yes, I enjoy cooking. My favorite thing to make is a vegetable stir-fry with lots of fresh ginger and garlic.
What's your opinion on social media?
What's your opinion on social media?
I think social media can be a great tool for staying connected with friends and family, but it can also be addictive and contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression.
I think social media can be a great tool for staying connected with friends and family, but it can also be addictive and contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression.
What's your dream vacation destination?
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to go to Japan and explore Tokyo, Kyoto, and the surrounding countryside. I'm fascinated by Japanese culture, food, and history.
I've always wanted to go to Japan and explore Tokyo, Kyoto, and the surrounding countryside. I'm fascinated by Japanese culture, food, and history.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love going for long walks in the countryside and taking in the scenery. I find it really relaxing and it's a great way to get some exercise.
I love going for long walks in the countryside and taking in the scenery. I find it really relaxing and it's a great way to get some exercise.
What's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
What's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
The most interesting place I visited was probably Petra in Jordan. It's an ancient city carved into the rock, and the architecture and history are absolutely fascinating.
The most interesting place I've visited was probably Petra in Jordan. It's an ancient city carved into the rock, and the architecture and history are absolutely fascinating.
Do you prefer sweet or savory food?
Do you prefer sweet or savory food?
I tend to prefer savory food over sweet, but I do have a weakness for dark chocolate.
I tend to prefer savory food over sweet, but I do have a weakness for dark chocolate.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
What's your favorite thing about your job?
I love the creative aspect of my job as a graphic designer. It's really satisfying to see a project come together and to know that I've contributed to a successful outcome.
I love the creative aspect of my job as a graphic designer. It's really satisfying to see a project come together and to know that I've contributed to a successful outcome.
What's your favorite hobby or pastime?
What's your favorite hobby or pastime?
I love to paint and draw. It's a great way to unwind and express my creativity, and I find it really therapeutic.
I love to paint and draw. It's a great way to unwind and express my creativity, and I find it really therapeutic.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely more of a night owl. I find it hard to wake up early in the morning, but I'm most productive and alert in the evening.
I'm definitely more of a night owl. I find it hard to wake up early in the morning, but I'm most productive and alert in the evening.
What's your favorite season and why?
What's your favorite season and why?
I love autumn because of the beautiful colors of the leaves and the crisp, cool air. It's also the season for cozy sweaters, hot drinks, and pumpkin-flavored treats.
I love autumn because of the beautiful colors of the leaves and the crisp, cool air. It's also the season for cozy sweaters, hot drinks, and pumpkin-flavored treats.
What's your opinion on climate change?
What's your opinion on climate change?
I think climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing our planet today, and we all have a responsibility to take action to reduce our carbon footprint and protect the environment.
I think climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing our planet today, and we all have a responsibility to take action to reduce our carbon footprint and protect the environment.
Do you have any phobias or fears?
Do you have any phobias or fears?
I have a fear of heights, which can be quite limiting at times. I'm working on overcoming it by taking small steps, like going on Ferris wheels or visiting observation decks.
I have a fear of heights, which can be quite limiting at times. I'm working on overcoming it by taking small steps, like going on Ferris wheels or visiting observation decks.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I love to do yoga, especially in the morning or before bed. It's a great way to stretch out my body and calm my mind.
I love to do yoga, especially in the morning or before bed. It's a great way to stretch out my body and calm my mind.
What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home?
What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home?
I love cooking Italian food, especially homemade pasta and pizza. It's a fun and satisfying challenge to make everything from scratch.
I love cooking Italian food, especially homemade pasta and pizza. It's a fun and satisfying challenge to make everything from scratch.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
What's the best gift you've ever received?
The best gift I've ever received was a handmade quilt from my grandmother. It's a family heirloom that's been passed down through several generations, and it's really special to me.
The best gift I've ever received was a handmade quilt from my grandmother. It's a family heirloom that's been passed down through several generations, and it's really special to me.
What's the most important lesson you've learned in life so far?
What's the most important lesson you've learned in life so far?
I think the most important lesson I've learned is to be true to myself and not to compromise my values or beliefs for the sake of others' opinions or expectations.
I think the most important lesson I've learned is to be true to myself and not to compromise my values or beliefs for the sake of others' opinions or expectations.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love to curl up with a good book or watch a movie. It's the perfect excuse to relax and take some time for myself.
I love to curl up with a good book or watch a movie. It's the perfect excuse to relax and take some time for myself.
What's the most interesting job you've ever had?
What's the most interesting job you've ever had?
The most interesting job I've had was working as a tour guide in Europe. I got to meet people from all over the world and share my love of history and culture with them.
The most interesting job I've had was working as a tour guide in Europe. I got to meet people from all over the world and share my love of history and culture with them.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside, as I love the peace and quiet and the opportunity to be close to nature. However, I also enjoy visiting cities for their culture and entertainment.
I prefer the countryside, as I love the peace and quiet and the opportunity to be close to nature. However, I also enjoy visiting cities for their culture and entertainment.
What's your favorite type of music?
What's your favorite type of music?
I love a wide variety of music, but my favorite genre is probably indie folk. I find the lyrics and melodies really soothing and inspiring.
I love a wide variety of music, but my favorite genre is probably indie folk. I find the lyrics and melodies really soothing and inspiring.
What's your favorite way to unwind after a long day?
What's your favorite way to unwind after a long day?
I love to take a hot bath and read a book or watch a show. It's a great way to relax and decompress before bed.
I love to take a hot bath and read a book or watch a show. It's a great way to relax and decompress before bed.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love to curl up with a good book or watch a movie. It's the perfect excuse to relax and take some time for myself.
I love to curl up with a good book or watch a movie. It's the perfect excuse to relax and take some time for myself.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.